Hello kids! Today we will learn the names of 20 yummy fruits with colorful pictures. Let's begin. Apple. A for apple. Apples are red and very juicy. Banana. B for banana. Monkeys love bananas. Mango. M for mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Orange. O for orange. It's round and full of vitamin C. Grapes. G for grapes. Grapes come in green and purple colors. Pineapple. P for pineapple. It has a spiky top and sweet taste. Watermelon. W for watermelon. Big, juicy and perfect for summer. Strawberry. S for strawberry. Red, tiny and so tasty. Papaya. P for papaya. It's soft and good for health. Guava. G for guava. It's green outside and white or pink inside. Pomegranate. P for pomegranate. Full of tiny red seeds. Kiwi. K for kiwi. Brown outside, green inside and very healthy. Cherry. C for cherry. Small, red and super cute. Coconut. C for coconut. Hard shell with sweet water inside. Lemon. L for lemon. Sour but full of vitamin C. Blueberry. B for blueberry. Tiny and blue in color. Pear. P for pear. Green and juicy fruit. Plum. P for plum. Sweet and purple fruit. Fig. F for fig. A soft and sweet fruit. Lychee. L for lychee. White inside, red outside. Very tasty. Great job, kids! You've learned 20 fruits today. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Apple, banana, mango too. Fruits are healthy, just for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos.